Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Twitch application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Twitch and start your search. Once you find the Twitch application, go ahead and tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Twitch application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button. You can then go ahead and tap on the open button to open up the Twitch application on your smartphone. Then you can continue with signing up or logging into your account to start enjoying the Twitch application right away from your smartphone anytime. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Twitch application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.